Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix audio on Instagram Reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be just to start creating a reel. I'm just going to Instagram and click on the plus sign here so we can start creating a reel. So now I'm just going to choose this video as example. And I'm just going to go to the reel and choose my content. So here, let's just choose this video, and I'm just going to go here, and we can find here search music. Now you can add this one to the mix, and you can have it here. Or you can also start having some effects, etc. And basically, I'm just going to click here, and basically you can start turning off comments. Another way to start mixing audio is by just creating reels uh, from scratch. So from here, I'm just going, uh, let's go back and click done, and let's discard and go for reel. And basically, I'm just going to this one, and from here you can start mixing your audio by exploring or by adding audios. So from here we can see that we can add this one. So I'm just going to add it, click on done, and basically we need to the editing so we can find the timeline. This is my whole audio and this is my video. So we can just click on this one, and after that you can just go to this timeline and add audio again, and basically we will be able to add more audio. So let's just go for trending or choose any audio that you would like, and you can start adding it. And of course you can start editing on many aspects of the video. For example, here we can also add more footage to this video or to this reel. You can start adding your voiceover. You can have your fade. You can start choosing your fade in, fade out, and some. You can start adding some adjustments and replacements here on the audio and the songs, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.